Some of San Antonio's healthiest, most carefully sourced food comes from, well, a laundromat, where you can suds your duds or soak your car. A place where there's live music, a ton of local beers,
So 52 beers on the back patio bar, which is an awesome bar, all from Texas.
Yes, all for Texas, a lot of them from San Antonio.
and famous fish tacos,
That is really, really good. That is a serious taco.
all at the Cove in San Antonio. The Cove is a fun, family-friendly spot where you can also feel good about what you're eating. There's a big bison burger with blue cheese served on a whole wheat bun with chipotle mayo and applewood smoked bacon, piled on top of Thunderheart bison, raised just up the road. How about this hearty sweet potato hash with bacon, roasted corn, a jalapeno remoulade, and fresh cilantro, crowned with a sunny side-up egg? Or this power-packed kale, avocado, and spinach salad with organic greens, a house-made celery dressing, and pepitas. All from a mother of three who started out selling ice cream and toasted sandwiches in, of all places, a laundromat.
I began to study Ayurvedic medicine. It's a holistic medicine from India.
Right.
I happened to find some books on it, was studying it, came across this one line that said, you know, food is either medicine or poison. I remember thinking around that time, like, oh my gosh, I'm killing people. I know that sounds dramatic. Sounds dramatic, but you know, food really is that powerful. And I realized that there was a contradiction about what I wanted to eat and put in my body and what I was serving to my customers.
So Lisa Asvestos made the shift to all organic, locally sourced, sustainable, and farm-to-table fresh foods.
You feel good and taste good?
Her vision caught on, and the Cove expanded to include this beautiful, spacious patio. There's room for everyone.
I love that we have the big patio. I love that big families come out and eat and the kids play and they have a place where they can come and enjoy healthy food and a great environment.
Plenty for adults to enjoy too, including live music 6 nights a week. An indoor bar featuring more than 100 bottled beers, and then the Texas bar outside with more than 50 local brews on tap.
We're going to start with the Karbach, and this is a Kolsch style.
And carback. That's nice. That's very light.
All served at a massive bar made from a pecan tree that once shaded this property.
I feel like you can feel the energy from that tree. That tree, you know, was probably here at least 50, 100 years. It was
Wow. It was a big
It was
tree.
a big tree.
Lisa says supporting local brewers is a priority, and creating a sense of community is a commitment.
That's a big passion of mine, is supporting local, you know, the local beer, the local food, the local artists. It's all about
And
that.
Look at what you're doing for the community here. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Food here fuels both body and soul.
We have the naked. It's naked. You know, I mean, that's the greatest thing in life.
He's talking about the Naked Burger, a low-carb classic. With grass-fed beef served on a mountain of organic field greens, grilled spinach, and mushrooms, all topped with a spicy poblano sauce. Then there's the most popular plate in the place.
The fish tacos, the famous fish tacos.
Lisa's famous
Yes.
fish tacos. To be more
I
accurate.
did. I named it after myself.
They start with 2 fresh, never frozen, plump tilapia fillets, seasoned and grilled to perfection. A squeeze of fresh lime, then they're nestled inside organic, non-GMO blue corn tortillas. These yummy tacos are topped with house-made cilantro coleslaw and spicy poblano sauce. The tacos come with an organic baby spinach salad with mushrooms and homemade honey mustard dressing.
It's love on the tacos.
And that's the Lisa special.
I love it. I love spicy. And I love poblanos. That's awesome.
Good.
So come celebrate that community feel at the Cove, where there's always healthy and delicious to cheer about. Time for my wine find, some perfect wines to celebrate the season. And up first, the ultimate party wine. This one really is a lot of fun. This is the Stella Rosa Red Reserve. When you smell this wine, when you open the bottle, raspberries literally leap right up at you. This is a fun wine. This is a fruit-forward wine. It is slightly sweet, so if you love sweeter wines, this is for you. It's also good with chocolate. This is definitely a crowd pleaser at just under $14 a bottle. Stella Rosa Red Reserve. Okay, my Chardonnay fans, I wouldn't leave you out. I know there's lots of you out there. This is the Martin Ray Chardonnay. It comes from the Russian River Valley. The wine has flavors of golden apples, nectarines, and pears. It does spend a little time in oak, which adds a nice roundness to the wine. You'll taste just a bit of vanilla on the finish. Chard fans, you're going to like this one. It's less than $15 a bottle. Okay, Big Red fans, I'm gonna step you up a notch. I fell in love with this wine. This one is Hoops Vineyard Cabernet. This is a serious wine. It is perfect for a special holiday meal or a special holiday gift. With the Hoops Oakville Cab, think big, luscious fruit flavors like cassis, blackberries, and cherries. You'll also get some spices and even hints of leather. This is a lovely wine with layers of flavor that will keep you interested till the very last sip. It pairs beautifully with roasted meats, pork loins, steaks too. The Hoops Oakville Cabernet is just under $50, a beautiful holiday wine. And as always, I found all my wines at H-E-B. When we come back, details on how you could win a relaxing weekend at the Houstonian. How about a weekend away, complete with spa treatments? Here's how you could win. Head to Goodtaste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. Let's get social, guys. Like us on Facebook at Good Taste with Tanji, or follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Tanji Patton. And don't forget, if you missed any of today's show, you can always get it online at goodtaste.tv. Thanks so much for joining us, and as always, cheers to good taste.